See, a few years ago, smart glasses felt awkward. Big, bulky, weird in public. Either they looked like these weird sci-fi goggles or they were doing way too much. But these right here, these are the Even G2 smart glasses. And after spending time with them, I can finally understand what smart glasses are actually supposed to be. They're not a replacement for your phone, not a camera strapped to your face, but a quiet layer of information that lives exactly where you already look. And at first glance, these look like normal glasses, no visible cameras, no bulky modules, and nothing that really screams tech product. And I like it because that's intentional. Now, the Even G2 is built around a subtle head-up display that sits just in your line of sight. You don't stare at it, you glance at it. And this is powered by Even's R1 system, basically the brain behind the whole experience. Think of it like a digital sticky note for your brain. The goal here isn't really immersion, it's awareness. The display is clear, readable, and surprisingly natural. Text flows gently in front of you without blocking the real world. You're not watching videos on this, you're not scrolling through social media. Instead, you're seeing actual useful information when it actually matters. Things like directions, reminders, notifications, translations, and short pieces of context that help you stay focused. And the best part is that it happens very naturally. The HUD and R1 work together, so the info shows right up when you need it. And because the display is intentionally limited, it's very respectful of your attention. And this is where the Even G2 gets really interesting. See, the built-in AI isn't trying to just talk to you, it's designed to assist quietly. And one of my favorite features is called Conversate. See, during meetings or conversations, the glasses can give you subtle cues or prompts without breaking eye contact. And there's also a teleprompter mode, which is perfect if you present, speak, or just create content. Your script lives right in the field of view without needing a phone or tablet. And real-time translation is also built in too. If someone is speaking to you in another language, subtitles appear directly into your vision. No pulling out your phone, no awkward pauses, just understanding. And one thing that I really respect about this product is the approach to privacy. There is no outward facing cameras. You're not secretly recording people. You're not making anyone uncomfortable. These glasses aren't really about capturing the world. They're more about understanding it. And also, battery life has been pretty great in my use. I get up to 2 days on a charge, and the charging case gives you 7 extra full recharges, so it keeps everything topped up very nicely. And comfort wise, they're lightweight and well balanced. After a while, you forget that you're wearing smart glasses at all until they gently remind you of something important. And that's kind of the magic with these glasses. These aren't for everyone. If you're looking for full AR gaming or immersive visuals, this isn't that. But if you care about focus, context, and staying present while still being informed, these make a lot of sense. And if you guys are interested in these very cool glasses, click the link in the description and comment section of today's video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.